Baseball. Once it kicks over, there we go. Good luck tonight. Elite Baseball. Different configuration this year. 5 packs in a box that don't want to come out. Elite Extra. Good luck, guys. Starting off with an auto and a quad. Your first auto, you've got Rise Hoskins for the Phillies. Rise Hoskins. That one is not numbered for the Phillies. Rise Hoskins. Got a quad, numbered to 199. USA, Sammy Valton, Tanner Hook, Alex Lange, and Zach Martinez going to the USA lot. Quad relic, USA. And the USA had their own lot tonight. Got number 200, Kelvin Gutierrez for Washington. 3 base. Got auto USA's Christian Cairo. Christian Cairo, that's what I meant. Christian Cairo. USA auto. Got an auto number 100, Bobby Dalbec, Boston's. Bobby Dalbec for Boston. Got a dual jersey, number 299, Miami's Thomas Jones. Thomas Jones for Miami. Got let's see, number 25, New York's Josh Rogers. Number to 999, Austin Williams. Number 2, 999's Chris Rogers. Got a number 275's Clayton Blackburn, die cut auto. Clayton Blackburn. Auto jersey number 299's Dustin May. Auto jersey 99. You've got Dustin May for LA. Got a number 200 Jake Fraley, base behind it. Got a 4-colored patch to 10. Houston's Francis Martas. Francis Martas, number to 10, 4-colored. Numbered to 10. Auto, not numbered, JT Riddle. JT Riddle. Got number 210. You've got Ian Anderson, die cut, number to 10. 2 base behind it. Ian Anderson, die cut. Number to 10. Last pack, box number 1. Got a filler. Two autos. First one, number to 100, it's Tyler O'Neill. Tyler O'Neill, number to 100. Next one, you've got Luis Suarez. Or, excuse me, Luis Arias. Luis Arias. That one is not numbered for the Minnesota Twins. Die cut, number to 99 is Will Craig for the Pirates. 2 base behind it. Number 2. Box number 2. Auto, number 275 is Kelvin Gutierrez. Washington's Kelvin Gutierrez. Got a quad. USA 199's KJ Harrison, Taylor Walls, Gabe Bronies, and Colton Osselin. Got number 200's Jack Newberry. 2 base. USA Auto, Cade Doughty. Cade Doughty, USA Auto. Auto number 275, Philadelphia's Andrew Knapp. 75, Andrew Knapp. Dual jersey, you've got Oakland's the 99, Matt Olson, Matt Chapman. Dual for Oakland, Matt Olson, Matt Chapman. Base behind it. Not numbered auto, Stephen Crichton. Stephen Crichton. Got a auto jersey, Tampa Bay to 49's Andrew Velasquez. To 49, Tampa Bay's Andrew Velasquez. Die cut number 299's Ryan Hendricks. Two base. Got a quad to 299 Colorado's Raymond Tapia. Colorado's Raymond Tapia. Got a Joe Rizzo for Seattle. Joe Rizzo for Seattle. Got number 200's Anthony Greer. Two base. Last pack, box 2. Die cut auto to 75, Pittsburgh's Max Kranick. Pittsburgh's Max Kranick. Got number 25's Pittsburgh's Travis McGregor. Pittsburgh, Travis McGregor. Got number 200's Junior Fernandez. Two base. Box number 3. Box number 3. Base auto, you've got Nestor Cortez. New York's Nestor Cortez. Got number New York, Hoy Jun Park. New York's Hoy Jun Park. Got number 200's Braylon Ortiz. Cincinnati. Quad, number 149, Pittsburgh, Tyler Glasnow. Tyler Glasnow. USA, CJ Chatham Pro. CJ Chatham Foul. Or CJ Chatham from FAU. Got 75, Pittsburgh, Steven Almies. Two base. Got Baltimore's Trey Mancini. Baltimore, Trey Mancini. Got a number 199, Chris Rodriguez auto jersey. Number 200, Braden Waddle. USA, you've got Brendan McKay. Brendan McKay. Got that number to TJ Fredel. TJ Fredel. Got a jersey number to 299, San Francisco's Alberto Mayhay. Alberto Mayhay. Got number 299's Willie Castro. Two base. Last pack, box number 3. Last pack, box 3. Die cut auto, Boston to 75's Nick Longy. Boston, Nick Longy. Quad 199, Jaron Kindle, Seth Beard, Josiah Dixon, and Coleman Brigman. Coleman Brigman. Got number 210, you got Austin Williams, number 210, 2 base. Box number 4, box 4. Box 4. Auto, you have got Brandon Marsh for LA. Brandon Marsh. Got a die cut to 25's Mario Feliciano for Milwaukee. Got a base with number to 200. It's Francis Marquez in there. Quad to 149's Alex Reyes. Alex Reyes. Got a cracked ice to 24, Brian Reynolds. Cracked ice, Brian Reynolds, number to 24. College ticket. Got number 75 is Justin Dunn, 2 base. Number 250's Miguel Ango Sierra. Michael Ango Sierra. Auto jersey, 99's JT Riddle. JT Riddle. Number to 200's Joey Wentz. Base. Got Jose Miranda, number 50. Jose Miranda, number 50. Got a season ticket, Hunter Green, USA. Hunter Green. Got a dual jersey, $2.99. Minnesota's Jordan Blaskovic. Blaskovic. Got number 299's Alex Reyes. Base. Zach Trayton. Zach Trayton. Quad 199, Alex Lang, Tanner Hope, Sammy Falton, and Zach Martinez. Number 200 is Alex Spees, 2 base. Number 5, box number 5. Finish out Elite, and then we'll move on to some totally certified basketball. Elite. Oh, let's see here. Some more of those. I'm going to grab one more case of these. Box number 5. Number 250, Rowdy Reed. Numbered to 50 for the Nats. Got a Andrew Knapp, the Phillies. Andrew Knapp. Got a number to 200, Matt Kroc, 2 base. Jersey 149's Tyler Glasnow. 149, Tyler Glasnow. Auto, you got Milwaukee to 100, Peyton Henry. 100, Peyton Henry. Number 275's Forrest Whitley, 2 base. Got a Seattle to 100, Tyler O'Neill. Seattle to 100, Tyler O'Neill. Auto jersey 299's Mitchell Cranston. Mitchell Cranston, 99. Number to 200's Anderson Espinosa, 2 base. Got let's see here, KJ Harrison, USA. KJ Harrison. Got Tampa Bay to 50s, Austin Franklin. Austin Franklin. Dual jersey 299, Chris Rodriguez for LA. Chris Rodriguez. Number 299, Steven Duger. 2 base. Last pack. Number to 100's Matt Cooper. Matt Cooper. Quad 199's Devin Harrison, KJ Harrison, Christian Cairo, and Carter Young. Got number 210, you got Eric Lauer for the Padres, 2 base. Finishing out Elite Extra Edition Baseball tonight. Then we'll do some more tomorrow night. Also tomorrow night we'll have the Cup. We'll have some Cup hockey tomorrow night. The Cup hockey tomorrow night.